Hello and welcome back to another video by Affiliate Marketing Money. Today we're going to talk about print on demand, affiliate marketing, and other forms of passive income. Stay tuned and watch the entire video because you could earn while you sleep. Let's get started with print on demand. Print on demand is basically a service in which you could print your art on different objects, and then people can buy those objects with your art on it, and then you can earn a commission for selling those products with your art on them. So if you're some type of designer, or if you have an artistic side to yourself, you can go on redbubble.com and you can sign up and you can start selling your art there. There are a lot of people, millions of people on Redbubble that are selling a lot of money, and you could be one of them too. The cool thing about it is that you only have to do the design once. This is why it's passive income. You only do the design once, you upload it. Once you upload it, people go and buy it, and once they buy it, you are going to make money. So you don't have to do anything but do the design once, then you have to upload it. They have a very good system in which they put your design on their products so that you don't have to do that process yourself, and then they just sell it for you. There are other services such as Spreadshirt and also Cafe Press, which do the same, and you could earn money on those too. So make sure you check out all three of them and sign up. Let's move on to affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is the process of selling someone else's product and earning a commission. ClickBank is one of the biggest affiliate marketplaces out there, and it's a very good affiliate marketplace in which you could actually go and find products that you could sell for other people and earn a commission. So if you want to start selling products for someone else, you should sign up to ClickBank. You should sign up to ShareASell. ShareASell is kind of the same thing. They have a different set of merchants, and I always suggest that you sign up to as many of these as you can, because that way you'll have a wider pool of products to select from, and you could be making more money by offering different products and having a wider pool of better products. Make sure you sign up to Amazon Associates as well, and make sure that when you are sharing these links, you are taking them to social media, you're taking them to high traffic places from which people can find them and click on them and then buy it from them. And if you want to take your affiliate marketing business to the next level, I suggest you check out the Affiliates Club. The Affiliates Club is a private club, a private community of people who are affiliate marketers, course creators, and business owners, and they help each other increase their sales and increase their income. Check out their free masterclass by Andy Isom. He made over $45,000 last year selling on social media without his own product and with very few followers. You could also create your own product. You could self-publish a book. Maybe you can create your own course, but it's very easy and simple to do so at these times, right? You can just start write about something that you know that most people might not, or something that you know very well. But BookBaby, Amazon self-publishing, Create Space are very good options for you to create your own book. And then Udemy, Skillshare are very good options to sell a digital course. Once again, these are very good ways to create passive income, again, because you only have to do it once. You only have to create the course once. You only have to write the book once, and then you can take it to Thinkific. You can take it to these places where you can sell it. You could even create your own webpage with ClickFunnels, and once in ClickFunnels, you can actually create a ClickFunnel to sell your own products. So once again, we are finding ways to make money without having to work again. We only have to do the work once. You create the webpage, you create the funnel. You could even join their affiliate program and sell it to other entrepreneurs. But once you do that, you create content, you get traffic to it, they click on it, and you make money without having to do it again. So make sure to check it out. Make sure to check out our other videos on other ways to make money online, because we're constantly uploading new videos on ways to make money online. And by the way, that's another way to make money passively. Creating YouTube content is very monetizable. It takes a little while because you have to have over 1,000 subscribers and over 4,000 watch hours. But if you get to that amount of time and that amount of subscribers, you can do like Nuke's Top 5 over here and start creating top 5 lists. This top 5 list might not seem very difficult, but they are generating a lot of money for him, in between $5,000 and $86,000 a year, right? I mean a month, right? So that's a lot of money. And we have a lot of different YouTube content creators that are creating a lot of stuff. Even Will Smith is creating stuff, right? So make sure you check out YouTube. Check out some of the niche stuff that they're making. Check out some of the videos that they're making. Some of them are even doing affiliate marketing through YouTube. This, for example, Nostalgic 2 is very simple. It's just some music with some backgrounds that are super simple. And if we go to Social Blade and look at how much money they're making in between $486 and $7,000 a month, which is also a lot of money to be making. Even if they're only making like $1,000, $1,500 a month from their videos, they're making a lot of money. So make sure to check them out. Make sure you try them out, and if you do, let us know how it went. Thank you very much for watching. We hope you liked our video. Subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you later.